Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. My name is Manpreet. So I wanted to make this video to tell you that we are facing issues with Google Assistant with this Oppo watch. This is 46 millimeter. So I did not even like that there are many videos showing the watch, but they have not shown the edges. They should keep it like still to make people understand how the watch will look on them. So I'm not happy with the reviews that they have shown. See the watch carefully if you want. See, I'll do it a little far. So this bump is small than the 41 mm. This is the 46 mm curved. I've applied a screen protector. See, it's perfect fit, no bubble at all. Just need to press a little. This is dust. It's a very good watch. The strap is amazing. थोड़ा हिंदी में बोल लेता हूँ अगर आप चाहते हो तो. स्ट्रैप सिलिकॉन होके भी डस्ट नहीं पकड़ता, जैसे बड़ा गंदा डस्ट आ जाता है. सो दिस इज वेरी गुड क्वालिटी, समथिंग डिफरेंट, बिल्कुल न्यू है. देखो अभी मैंने यहाँ से प्लास्टिक भी नहीं उतारा, ये कल ही आई है. तो हुआ क्या, व्हाट हैपेंड, मैंने ये एक्सचेंज करवाई अमेजोन से क्योंकि मुझे पंगा लगा गूगल असिस्टेंट में कि चलता नहीं है. तो बट बिल्कुल चलता है. एंड प्रॉब्लम क्या है, एक्चुअली हमारे फोन्स में इंडिया इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज है और मुझे बस पता चल पाया, बहुत R&D करी कि इस वॉच में, कोई सर्च नहीं करी, बस मैंने खुद ही वॉच में चीज़ें ढूंढी. ये नहीं हुआ कि मुझे कुछ सर्च करना पड़ा एंड देखना पड़ा कि गूगल पे, बट मैंने खुद ही 100% ट्राइड एंड टेस्टेड फिगर आउट करा. और वो भी बताऊंगा कैसे, कि फोन में इंग्लिश इंडिया लैंग्वेज है. एंड फॉर पीपल, I'll also tell you in English that the problem with this watch is that if you live in a specific country and you have an option of English, you just cannot select that on this watch. You only remember if you want to use Google Assistant for the time being until another update comes. You only need to select, even in your phone, English US or English United Kingdom. That's the only two options that will make this watch Google Assistant run properly. So otherwise, if you select, let's say, English India, because the watch does not has that, your phone has that, it will not match and it will keep on showing that cannot connect to phone, or there's an error or error code. So the tried and tested thing that I did is that I changed it to English US. The moment I just changed it, because the watch is so connected with the phone that it reads everything what's happening with the phone. Almost everything, of course, for the permissions that we have given. So the moment you select and change language on your phone to English US, immediately Google Assistant will work. Immediately, if let's say if I'll select English India, it'll stop working. Google Assistant will not work because the language is not in the phone. I'm sorry, not in the watch. That's the only thing, guys, and 100% it works. Let's see, how can I show you as a proof? Just a moment. Just a second. Call 198.
Calling 198.
Now you see this was making the call. No issues at all. Straight away called 198. That's a Geo, the carrier customer service number. And of course, you just call the saved contacts like your mom, call mom, it'll call it. It'll, maybe if there are 2-3 numbers, it'll ask you which one you want to call. So it's amazing. It's working perfectly fine. It's only the language issue. Google sucks in that. I mean, it's shocking that just 2 languages. And for India, they've given, like in Bharat, that's a Hindi language. So if you select that, in your phone also you need to select Hindi. So if you're not comfortable with Hindi, that does not make sense. English India is a very good option provided in phone. Why not in the watch? It's a latest watch. What's keeping it from not having that, just to give these troubleshooting things, just to make up a mockery out of the watch. I mean, even knowing the issue and still making people, I'm sure, it's easy to find, and still making, see, smartwatch notification. This is my smart plug, and it's giving the notification. It's amazing watch. You should buy. I like this, the what do you call it, face of the watch, and I'll show you one more which, I mean, all are great, but on the top list, see this duck. It's so nice. Yeah, see. Yeah, what's up, man? It's amazing. It's a must buy. It's a must buy watch. I was really, if I want, I can get a full refund right now from Amazon showing that issue. But the watch is, the curve, the watch is so good, I just don't feel like sending it back. Battery, after the replacement, I felt this is the battery on this watch from the watch that I replaced is less, but no, actually it's just proper charging. It's the same. See, it's 100 still. I've shown you a few things, not dropping. So charge it well, charge it really well. If it shows you 100%, still keep the watch there for another 10-15 minutes. So the trickle charging also happens after 100%, and you'll get the best 100% battery backup. So it did call now. I'll pause the video and I'll change the language and I'll show you that error. Just a moment. Now I changed the language on my phone to English India. Now see, this is the problem. I'll show it to you again. Cancel it. Call mom. See, now I'll click this. There's the error. Sorry, unable to obtain permissions. Now it will slowly change to automatically to an error code. So this is all about the language thing. Now let me change the language back to English US and it'll work. Just a moment. Back, I've set the language on my phone to English US. Sorry. Call mom. See, it's not giving that error. It'll call that number. See, it's calling.